In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to load your document framework using Acrobat Pro Web within Chrome and add a video to your PDF. To get started, open Google Chrome and launch Acrobat Pro Web. Once you're inside the workspace, go ahead and load the document you want to work with. This is the file that will act as your document framework, meaning it's the PDF where your video will be placed. Before moving on, take a moment to make sure the document is fully loaded and visible on screen, so your edits apply exactly where you want them. Next, look for the All Tools section. This is where Acrobat Pro Web groups together the editing and enhancement features you can apply to your document. Open All Tools, then find the Add Rich Media Tool group. Rich media tools allow you to place interactive elements into a PDF, such as audio or video, making the document more dynamic and useful for viewers. When you locate that section, open it so you can access the available media options. From there, choose the video placement option. This control is what tells Acrobat that you want to embed or link a video element into the document. Selecting the correct media type here is important because it determines how the content will behave once it's placed on the page. After selecting video, your cursor or placement mode should update so you can define where the video will appear. Now click on the area of the document page where you want the video to be placed. Choose this location carefully, especially if your page contains text, images, or other design elements. You'll want the video placement to feel intentional and easy for the viewer to notice, without covering important information. If needed, pause for a second and visually line up the best spot before clicking. Once the placement area is selected, Acrobat will prompt you for the video source. At this stage, enter the direct video streaming URL. Make sure the link points directly to the correct video source so the media can be accessed properly from within the PDF experience. It's also a good idea to double check the link before confirming, since even a small error in the address can prevent playback from working as expected. After you've entered the video link, review the placement and confirm everything looks right in